Welcome back to this channel.
Welcome back to this channel.
Today we are making yoro yoro.
Today we are making yoro yoro,
a local dish
a local dish
from northern Ghana,
from northern Ghana,
tamale.
Tamale.
So let's get started.
Let's go.
So earlier on, I had to soak my corn for about 3 hours. This corn was sent to the grinding mill and it was crushed and the chaff was removed. But where I did it, it was not completely removed. Their machine was not too good. So I'm just going to soak it in water for 2 hours or 3 hours so that the chaff will be loosened for me to remove it easily. So I'll just leave it in my kitchen, and within 3 hours I'll be going out to cook it in my compound, because this is time consuming, and if I'm going to cook it in my kitchen, it will be very hot for us. So I'm just going to use my hand to wash it a bit, and I'll leave it here for 3 hours. So what we are going to make is called yoro yoro, a very delicious dish from tamale. So I'm out now after 3 hours, and you can see the color of the water has changed, and I'm just taking my time to wash it over and over again so that it becomes very clear, or 90% clear, for me to cook it. So at this point, I'm just going to remove the corn into another pot, and I'll be cleaning it again. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. This is Aisha's home. Please kindly like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video. And also you can watch other videos on this channel as well. So I had to add some water again to wash my corn very well. This will take much of time, so we just have to be a little patient to get rid of all the chaff in the corn. So now I'm done with the washing. I'm going to add water into this cooking pot. That is where I'm going to cook my yoro yoro. So I already set fire, and I'll just transfer it onto the fire, and I'll cover it. And the water has to be boiling before I pour in my maize or corn. So after it starts boiling, I'll then transfer my maize into the boiling water. Now I'll just cover it and I'll watch for about 15 minutes. Then I'll open it to check how far it has cooked. So this is my home with my lovely trees. And with these friends here, they came to pay us a visit. We don't own them, but they always walk into our home to pick some foods. So now it's boiling. After 15 minutes, I'm just going to add my beans, black-eyed beans, into it. But I first of all have to put in kanwa or potash before I add in my beans. And I'll have to stir this together before I cover it to cook. It is about 11:30 a.m. My boys have gone for makaranta, and when they come back, they are going to enjoy yoro yoro. I just had to shift to a place that there was shade because where I was, it was becoming sunny. So now I'm going to add some water to cover it, and I'll add salt. Stir it once again, and then I'll cover it again for it to cook to become soft. So now let's watch nature again. I have this goat here, a pregnant goat. It has also entered to pick some leaves to eat, and my friends are still around. So it's good to grow or plant trees in your home. They give shade, and other animals too can benefit. So now I'm just going to pound some pepper because I'll be eating the yoro yoro with pepper. But first of all, I'll wash it before I pound it. When you look at this yoro yoro, you might think that it's an easy food that can easily be prepared, but it is time consuming. So you just have to be patient so that it will come out perfectly for you to enjoy your yoro yoro. You can also use dry pepper. So this is how my pepper has become, and this is how I want it. But if you want yours to be very smooth, you can still pound. Mine is a little bit rough. So now just move to check on the yoro yoro to see how it has cooked. And wow, it looks so nice. My yoro yoro is done. So now I'm just going to take it off from the fire, and I'll go to the next step, and that is I have my chopped onions, and I'll be frying it to golden brown. If you want to also know how to cook tubani or prepare tubani yam bika, I have it on this channel. So I'm adding some oil and I'll fry it for about 8 minutes. So now it's golden brown. I'm just going to take it away and I'll serve my yoro hot. So I have my plate ready and I'm just going to serve myself first, and then later I'll serve my family because at this point they are not available. The little girl is sleeping and the two boys are also somewhere learning. So now I'm just going to add this pepper. Wow. And I'm going to top it up with the fried onions, and I'll sprinkle some of the oil on it. This is colorful and it's also delicious. I just love this. I love preparing our local dishes myself without going out to buy it. So this is so nice and I'm just going to enjoy it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.